Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy buffalo chicken taquitos. These are the perfect appetizer for any game night or any type of get together. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here to my channel, please take a second to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to thumbs it up and let's get started. I told you guys this recipe is going to be extremely easy. So here's what you need: garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper, French seasoning, hot sauce, toothpick, mozzarella cheese, and we're using, oh you know it, rotisserie chicken from Walmart or Publix. And we have some corn tortillas. Okay guys, first thing you'll be doing is shredding your chicken. So I am going to basically use my hand to help me get all of the meat out of the chicken. Now you can do this as well with some chicken breast, just boil it and shred it, but why not use already baked chicken to make your life easier, and it's very flavorful. So once I'm done shredding my chicken, I am going to use a knife just to make sure I cut them into small bite size. Now you can use a hand mixer to mix it as well, just to shred it if you want. Once I have my chicken nice and shredded, I am ready to mix everything together. So I am going to pour that into a mixing bowl. Once I am done, it's time to season. To season the chicken, keep in mind the chicken is already seasoned, like I said. So we're going to lightly season it with some garlic powder, ground black pepper, a little bit of salt, and as well as some dry ranch seasoning. This has so much flavor in there. This alone will be perfect, but we gotta add some more stuff to it, right? So I am also going to pour in my hot sauce, and you are going to give that a mix just like so. Next, I am going to pour in my mozzarella cheese and give that another mix. Now this is my corn tortillas. I am going to pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to make sure they're nice and flimsy. So when I roll them, they don't break basically. So they're nice and flimsy, just like we want it. So I am going to take one of the corn tortilla, place the chicken right in the middle. Then I am going to roll it. Now don't overstuff these because you don't want to overstuff it, okay? Just a little bit, just like that, and you are going to roll it like you're rolling a, I don't know, burrito, a taco, and then you're going to use your toothpick and place it right there. Now I am going to do it one more time for you guys to see. It's super easy. Once I'm done rolling all of my tortillas, here's how they look. I have my oil preheating on 350. I am going to fry these very quickly. You don't really have to wait too long, for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once they start turning golden brown, just take them out quickly. You can also bake these as well if you don't want to fry them. That's another healthy option. Once they are nice and golden brown, you are going to remove them, place them into a napkin just to make sure the napkin soak in all the oil, and it's ready to go, you guys. This is how easy it is to make yourself some buffalo chicken taquitos at home. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Let me know how you like this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me because that helps me a lot. That lets me know you like these type of videos so I can bring you guys more. Also subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.